यस्यात्म बुद्धि कुणपे त्रिधातुके स्वधी कलत्रादिषु भौम इज्यधीः यत्तीर्थ बुद्धि सलिलेन कर्हिचे जनेष्वभिज्ञेषु स एव गोखरः. Gokhara means go means cow, khara means ass. They are compared to ass, animals. Who? What kind of people? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Yasyatma buddhi kunape tridhatuke. Kunape means this bag. Tridhatu means kapha pitta vayu. If everybody knows has Ayurveda, kapha pitta vayu, mucus, bile and air. These are the three dhatus that are in our body, and if there is an imbalance in this, we get sick. So good health means if all of them are in balance. So kunape tridhatuke, this bag which consists of these three dhatus, that means this body. This body is like, usually your famous brand, what is it? Handbag. Gucci? What is it made of? Leather. Skin only, right? Skin. This is also skin. So this is also bag. Our body is a bag. In this bag of skin, kunape tridhatuke. There are many ingredients in this bag. Just like our handbag has some, ladies' handbag with some, makeup, I don't know what it was. I don't want to go deep into that, but so every bag has something it holds. So this bag also is holding something. What things are holding? Bones, flesh, blood, mucus, stool, urine, all kind of things disgusting. If you cut open, it will be censored. In YouTube it will be censored because of too violent. That is what is inside our bag. We are carrying this luggage life after life, every time new bag. And inside content same, just bag is changing. So we are having this bag, kunape tridhatu, yasya atma buddhi. Now this bag is there, consisting of disgusting elements inside. But if I think that this bag is me, ass, animal. We think like that. I am an Indian, I am proud to be an Indian. Ass. Why? Why you are Indian? Body took birth in India, right? But you are not the body, right? So you are not Indian. Why are we proud? Only pride can be there because at least we are closer to Krishna, we have some culture. And if we at all take to that path, yes, there is some reason to be proud of. Yeah. But we are just proud because we took birth in the land and I am an Indian, I am proud to be Indian. Patriotism. So yasya atma buddhi kunape tridhatuke. See how nicely the words are constructed. Make us think a lot.